Starting an online business is probably one of the best decisions you can make to help grow your income this year. However, you may be frustrated because you see people making income online, but you may not know the exact steps for you to really break through the large competition on Etsy. Well, in today's video, I'm gonna share with you easy things to do to help your product stand out above the rest of the competition, and how you can make consistent sales on Etsy by just changing a few things with your design so you can actually attract more people to your shop. I'm sure this all with you coming up next. So welcome back to the video, my friends. If you're new here, my name is Jay, and on this channel, I teach you how to make income online by creating and selling your own products. And so if you like content like this, subscribe to my channel so you can learn more about how to grow your online income. Now, I had a question from one of my viewers who asked the question, is it even worth getting started with Etsy, knowing that there are thousands of different shops that have started back in 2016, 2017, and they're still making tons of sales? How can a new shop come in to a competitive space and still make money? Well, look at these results here. This person has uploaded this shop in the last 4 months, and they already have a best-selling product. You can see this shop here opened up 6 months ago, and they already have a best-selling product. This shop opened up 2 months ago, and they're already selling extremely well. And look at this shop here. This shop has opened up in 2023, which is the year of this recording, and with only 200 products, they have sold over 1,000 items. So you can see here that Etsy is a place where a lot of growth is happening in regards to people coming and buying products, but this can also be a great place for you to have income growth by getting started. What I find is with a lot of people is that they don't have the motivation to get started because they have a limiting belief that other people can be successful, but they can't be successful. But the best time to start any type of print-on-demand business is now. So one of the ways you can break out through the saturated market on Etsy is to be mindful of 3 things that I want to share with you in today's video: personalization, best-selling designs, and placement. These 3 things can actually help your product shine above the rest of the competition. And when you trend merge these different designs, you're able to create something that can be dialed in for the customer and help bring you in sales. Now, a great space to add personalization is definitely to an area or a niche where we don't see most of those things offering personalization. So what I like to do is look at popular designs that are already doing well, and if these designs do not have personalizations, you definitely want to add that, because again, if this design is selling well, we already know personalized items are selling well also. This is what I call trend and combine, right? We're taking what is already doing well on the marketplace, these type of customized personalized products, but then you are bringing up another trend like this specific design here and merging these 2 things together to offer something we already know people enjoy. They like personalized items, and they also like this design, and that data is based upon the bestsellers badge, how many people we have in the cart or have purchased in the last 24 hours, as well as going down and looking at the reviews. So really, you don't have to, be major in regards to what design you create. Just see what's already selling well and add in that personalization. The cool part about personalization is with Printify, you're able to actually create personalized items that can actually sync up with Etsy. That means if you get an order from Etsy, it will automatically show up on Printify, so you know exactly what orders coming in and what personalizations you need to make. And so when you pair this up with design features like Kindle or Canva, you're able to make those personalization changes and upload those designs to Printify, so you can actually put that design on a t-shirt, and you can go through the normal process once everything is imported. Now again, these personalization features are very easy to do with Kindle as well as with Canva, whichever design software you want to use. But what makes this entire thing possible is merging that design over into Printify, where you're able to upload your design. Once you hit import, everything else runs normally, where you're able to ship out this item to your customer. And of course, Printify takes care of all of that for you. Now, t-shirts is not the only thing you can customize. I know that's a popular trend here on Etsy. You can also customize different type of mugs, and it is a unique thing where you see these type of mug designs are doing well because they have someone's picture on the mug itself. Now, this is easy to do as well. You'll just tell the customer to upload their image to the messenger on Etsy. You're able to download that particular photo and upload that photo to your mug design. Same thing we have done with the t-shirts. We're going to create a new design for this particular product and ship this out to our customer. Now, there are some other tools you can use to make sure that these pictures are at the highest quality. If your customers do not upload them with the highest quality, you have all type of free AI upscaler tools that you can use to make sure that you get the best image for your customer. The whole point here, however, is to understand that personalization can be a great value point for all different type of products, just not with t-shirts. You can do the same thing with mugs. And especially as we're coming to the Christmas season, and then we have the graduation season, and of course we have Valentine's Day. All these different type of seasons that are coming up or occasions can be a great space for you to add an amazing personalization to your products to help your design stand out even more. So here's just some quick example of different mug designs that are doing extremely well. As you can see here, all they added was just some simple text on the top, on the bottom. Of course, you can add in some different elements around the image itself, but they just have the image from the customer or the picture from the customer uploaded right here on the product itself. Again, really easy to do, but when you target specific people for specific seasons or specific occasions and add in that personalization, that can be that small touch that can make a difference for you to sell your products. And again, here are some examples of some t-shirts as well as sweatshirts that's doing extremely well. Again, we see what's also popular right now is having the personalized item on the sleeve of the t-shirt. We even see some personalizations right here on the pocket style of the t-shirt as well. When you try and combine all of these things, popular designs, personalized items, and different placement of the design itself, it can really help you shine above the rest of the competition, because again, we don't see most of these products utilizing all three of these things: placement, personalization, and of course adding in a bestseller design to your overall product. If you look at the data from Etsy, there are far more shoppers on Etsy than there are sellers. So there's always going to be an opportunity for you to make an income online with Etsy, as long as you have this healthy margin of sellers and shoppers. The whole point here is not to allow that limiting belief to keep you stagnant in your business. You definitely want to get started and integrate these type of things like personalizations, finding key designs that selling well, adding in different placements to your designs, either be the pocket area, the back of the t-shirt, or the sleeve of the sweatshirt, and bringing in a new variable in a place you know that's already doing well. Now, if you want to learn the exact step-by-step process of how to get started with Etsy yourself with Printify, I'll make sure I leave that link to that video here so you can go ahead and learn the exact steps you need to take to launch your first business on Etsy. And if you want to learn more about content like this, then subscribe to my channel where I give you weekly tips and practical steps for you to build an online income. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.